Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Douye Diri says his state is safe and secure to host foreign direct investments. Governor Douye Diri gave the assurance recently when he led a delegation of state officials to seek trade and cultural ties with leading commercial cities in New York and New Jersey in the United States.
Recently, Governor Douye Diri led a team of state officials to grace the 2022 Ijaw Diaspora Convention in New Jersey. At the event, Senator Douye Diri informed his host that efforts to beef up security had paid off significantly as Bayelsa State now ranks among the safest states in Nigeria.
And part of what we have done is to set up a complementary security outfit which went to our state assembly. The state assembly brought it as a law that I assented to. And today we have what we call the Community Safety Law. And that body is headed by a retired Brigadier General. And the essence of it is that we cannot be talking about attracting investors to our states when the investors' investments will not be secured. They themselves will not be secured. And so the first thing to do was to ensure that the state was secured enough before we can go out to woo investors into our state. And that's why your investments are safe in Yenagoa and all the environs in Bayelsa.
Senator Diri also informed Ijaws in the diaspora that Bayelsa State under his watch had successfully implemented a deliberate policy to consolidate on the infrastructure development initiative of his predecessor in office, while urging them to take advantage of the availability of critical infrastructure to attract investments to Bayelsa State.
In terms of infrastructure, we have 3 senatorial roads. These are big ticket projects that cost the state government billions of naira. And as we speak, we are very sure that by our 3rd year in office, we are going to commission one of the very big senatorial ticket roads, which leads Sabama to Ekremo in the Ekremo local government area. What we are doing in Bayelsa over the period, joining hands with your body and others who are interested in ensuring that there is development in our country, in our state. We are sure that in the next 10-15 years, we will begin to witness the fruits and the changes in our state of Bayelsa.
While in the state of New Jersey, the Bayelsa State Governor was honored with an award in recognition of his passion for the unity and development of the Ijaw Nation by the Ijaw Diaspora Council. In search of investment opportunities and partnerships, Governor Diri had an economic meeting with Secretary to the State of New Jersey, Mr. Way. At the end of the meeting, the State of New Jersey in the United States and the State of Bayelsa in Nigeria agreed to explore mutually beneficial opportunities in business. During his recent foreign trip, Governor Douye Diri witnessed the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the Bayelsa State Government and Cuba Pharma Consortium of the Republic of Cuba for the establishment of a vaccine and pharmaceutical production plant in the oil-rich state. The proposed vaccine and pharmaceutical production plant in Bayelsa State is expected to create job opportunities, build the expertise of Bayelsans, and ensure technology transfer for sustainability of the plant. High point of the recent foreign trip embarked upon by Governor Douye Diri and his team was a visit to the United Nations headquarters in New York, where they were received by Deputy Secretary General of the UN, Dr. Amina Mohammed. At the meeting, the Bayelsa State Chief Executive assured Dr. Mohammed of his government's commitment to the Sustainable Development Goals and offered to host the next meeting of the Gulf of Guinea, a request which she obliged without hesitation. The investment drive of the prosperity government of Bayelsa State is intended to explore and exploit the state's vast endowment in natural resources outside oil and gas. Ultimately, it will generate jobs, raise the revenue profile of the state, and create wealth for its citizens.
Inside the Niger Delta,